Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Notion for tracking your trading investments. This is your full guide for 2025. Let's get started. The first step is to make a new database in Notion. You can either create a new page and then convert it into a database, or straight away create a database on the home page. This is where you'll be keeping track of all your investments. The reason we do this is to have a centralized place where you can quickly glance at your investments and their current status. Next, we'll set up the properties for the database. These are the columns that will hold the information about your investments. Some recommended properties are name of the investment date, initial investment, current value, profit loss, and so on. This helps us because it ensures we have all the necessary details about our investments in one place. Now that we've done that, let's add a formula to automatically calculate the profit or loss. You can do this by creating a new property and choosing the type as formula. The formula will be current value minus initial investment. This is important because it automatically updates the profit or loss, saving you time and minimizing errors. Moving on, let's talk about integrating Notion with your online trading platform. Many platforms have APIs that can be used to automatically update the value of your investments in Notion. You'll need to do a bit of coding for this, but don't worry, there are plenty of tutorials available online. The reason we do this is to ensure that the data in Notion is always up to date without any manual intervention. Lastly, don't forget to customize the view of your database. Notion provides various view options like table, board, timeline, etc. Choose the one that suits your style or create multiple views for different purposes. This helps us because it provides a visual representation of our investments and can be easily customized to show the data in the way we find most useful. And that's it. You now have a fully functioning system for tracking your trading investments in Notion. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and up to date. This will help you make better investment decisions and keep track of your profits and losses. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.